This is the one that I really like the most. There's information out there that the SALT cap was going to be eliminated. Okay. Is that true or is that fake news?
And I wish, look, hey, we pay enough in taxes as it is, and we should get to, I think we all feel like we should get to deduct as many of those taxes as possible, whether it's sales tax, property tax, any of the taxes. Unfortunately, all they did is they raised the cap. So TCJA came in and said, we're going to put a $10,000 hard cap. That's all you can deduct.
Yep.
Well, that's really hard for you if you live in a state like California or New York and you're a high income earner and you have a property there. Let's say you have $1 million house and you pay a lot in property taxes there and a lot in state taxes. You hit that 10K cap pretty hard.
That's right. That's right.
And that's all you're allowed to do. Well, what they did with this big, beautiful bill is they raised that 10K cap to $40,000. So that's going to give you a huge break, right? So if you're one of these people that's in one of these higher tax states, you're going to be able to deduct more of those taxes on your itemized deductions. But again, you must itemize to be able to take this break.
I think, that will allow more people to itemize. I know a lot of people were phased out when they had that 10,000 cap. So this will now push some people over that threshold.
Yeah, because it was sometimes it's hard to itemize if you're stuck at that $10,000 cap, because that means your only other deduction is charitable contribution. So that means I have to give a lot of my money away just to be able to itemize, right? This unfortunately does phase out in 2028. So 2029,
yep,
we could go back to the 10K cap. There could be a new